Hi, it's Raj. This is the unboxing and quick look of the GameSir's G4s Wireless Controller. So let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
I bought this product from AliExpress sometime back. So this model is kind of old but still available online. So this controller has got good build quality with rubber textured handles, backlit buttons, LED battery level indicator, vibration feedback, etc. Here comes the controller, a micro USB cable, a clip, and then the user manual. The user manual contains information regarding setup and pairing the controller with devices like mobile phone, Android TV, Windows PC, Samsung Gear VR, PS3, etc. So you should keep this handy. Even though it looks like a regular controller, it comes with a phone holder which is adjustable. The controller comes with a built-in battery which can be charged using the provided cable and a normal phone charger or USB port. This also acts as a connectivity cable for pairing with PC and PS3. There is a reset switch under the controller to clear certain memory settings like backlight brightness, etc. I would say it's really comfortable to hold the G4s. So let's power it on. It looks cool with all the buttons lit. Again, if you lift this phone holder, you can take out the 2.4 GHz USB dongle which is used for wireless pairing with PC or PS3. For the phone holder, they have provided an additional clip to stabilize bulky mobile phones. Pairing the device with PC or PS3 is a piece of cake. However, for Bluetooth pairing with mobile phones, you need to install third-party apps like GameSir World and Happy Chick game emulator. GameSir World helps in key mapping, but only few games support it. Some games like PUBG Mobile was there in the beginning, however, later it was removed. Also, all the key mappings are preset, that is, in most cases, we don't have to map the keys manually. All you need is just add and launch the game using the GameSir World app. Now let's check the Happy Chick emulator. This emulator supports ROMs like PSP, Nintendo 64, etc., which you can download to your phone storage, then load and play. There is also an online archive with hundreds of arcade games. I tried a few. Talking about PC games, I mostly play FIFA with a controller, and this G4s was pretty impressive. To add, it is still working fine after around 2 years. There are also other gaming peripherals available from the GameSir. You can find some useful links in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.